Automation Direct's Monday Minute. Automation Direct has added Molex pendant switches with quick connectors designed to provide reliable, unmounted hand control of various systems using on-off actuation. These switches are perfect for applications with demanding conditions where it's essential to offer a flexible way to control equipment during production, material handling, changeovers, setup, inspection, cleaning, and troubleshooting. Molex manually operated switches include various normally open and/or normally closed snap-action contact output arrangements. The switches are available with nitrile, PVC rubber, or silicone rubber switch cover options. A wide selection of mini connector cables is also available, offering various lengths of 2 and 3-pole cables up to 32.8 feet. The new Molex pendant switches have a 1-year warranty and offer these agency approvals. Learn more by visiting automationdirect.com/pendant-switches. Click here to see other Monday Minute videos. Click here to see more products from Automation Direct.